Planning to study in Australia in 2025? Whether it's for a diploma, a bachelor's degree, or postgraduate studies, getting the student visa, subclass 500, is your first step. I'm John from Law and Visas, and today I'll guide you through the full process to apply for an Australian student visa from Nigeria, updated for 2025. Get admission into an approved Australian institution. Before you even think of applying for a visa, you must first get accepted into a CRICOS-registered institution. This could be a university, college, or TAFE. Once accepted, you'll receive a confirmation of enrollment, KOE. You can't apply without this. Create your IMI account and fill the application form. Once you have your KOE, you'll need to open an IMI account on the Australian Immigration website. This is where you'll complete and submit your visa application online. Make sure you're applying for the subclass 500 visa and provide all necessary information honestly and accurately. Gather your documents. Here's what you'll need: a valid Nigerian passport, confirmation of enrollment, COE, evidence of sufficient funds to cover tuition, travel, and living expenses, currently around AUD 24,505 per year for living costs. Check latest updates. Overseas Student Health Cover, OSHC, mandatory insurance for international students. Statement of Genuine Temporary Entrant, GTE. A short personal letter explaining your intentions to study in Australia and return afterward. Academic documents and English test scores, IELTS, PTE or TOEFL, birth certificate and passport photographs. Prepare these carefully. A strong GTE letter and proof of funds are especially important. Pay your visa fee and submit. The application fee for the student visa is AUD 710 as of 2025. You'll pay this online during the application process. Once submitted, you'll receive a transaction reference number, TRN, which you'll use to track your application. Biometrics and medical exams. You'll be required to attend a biometrics appointment at an Australian Visa Application Centre, VFS, in Lagos or Abuja. You may also be asked to undergo a medical examination with an approved panel doctor. Wait for a decision. Student visa processing usually takes 1 to 2 months, but it can vary. During this time, keep checking your email and IMI account for updates or additional document requests. Tips for success: clearly explain your study plan and future goals in your GTE letter. Only use bank accounts you can prove you have access to. Avoid any fake documents or false information. Apply early, don't wait until the last minute. The Australian student visa process is straightforward when you're well prepared. With the right documents, a clear purpose, and good planning, you're on your way to starting your education in one of the world's top destinations. Need help with your application? Send us a DM or WhatsApp message. The number is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more trusted visa tips from Law and Visas. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey to studying in Australia.